So I got the new AMK76 machine set up, got it in front of my dust collector and everything, and I've sharpened a handful of knives on it. It's a little different than the 75, but it works really well, and you can expand it out to a 2x42 belt. So I'm going to do a little sharpening. I got 3 chef knives to do, and I'm going to speed the camera up and we'll come back at the end and talk about it. All right, it took me right at 8 minutes to sharpen 3 chef knives on the new AMK75. A couple of things I don't like about it. It feels very, very packed, right? It's real compact. I feel cramped in here, but that's because I've got it set at the 1x30. I could do the 2x42 or 1x42, and it'll be further out and a lot longer platen. But I'm going to do this. The belts are cheaper. It's just going to take a little bit to get used to it. I don't like the clamp that came with the machine. It seems awkward to me. I don't know why, but I'll try it again. I'm using the older clamp, and I just moved the stop real close to the clamp itself. So there we go.